go over how to join the Discord server for the Showdown 2025 coding competition. When you enter the home page of the official Showdown 2025 website, you'll first click on the How To header at the top. Then, in this page, you will click on the button that says Showdown 2025 Discord server. This will lead you to a new Discord tab, and here, you can either log in to a pre-existing Discord account or register a new one. If you register a new account, you'll have to enter your email address, your display name, your username, and date of birth. We'll put in a random number for now. After doing all necessary tests, we'll finally enter the Discord server for the Showdown 2025. If you still don't see the Showdown 2025 Discord server or the invite, one way to still join the server is by going back to the website, pressing the button again, copying the URL address, going back to the Discord server, pressing add a server, join a server, pasting the link, and pressing join server. And now you'll enter the Showdown 2025 Discord server. In here, through the general and announcements text channels, you'll be able to find all necessary documents and updates that you'll need to have an exciting and amazing coding competition.